This is my honest review of Bush's Best Black Beans, Frijoles Negros. We like to put these, cook them up and just put a little red onion on them and a little cheese, and that is delicious. Or we put them in salads. They are just a very versatile, very good source of protein and fiber. There's the calories. It's 110 calories for let's see, what does it say? A half a cup. So then they say there's 3 servings per container, so it's 330 calories in the whole container. Zero fat, probably a little bit high on the sodium level. Very low carbs. 17% fiber though, that's great, and 10%, 7 grams of fiber or 7 grams of protein in each serving. So your black beans from Bush's Best are delicious, and they're a great source of fiber and protein. Go get them.